Okay, so here's my MyFitnessPal. Here's my homepage, my profile. Here's my how many pounds I've lost so far, 0. So that's my weight log. It's my weight. How much I'm trying to lose is 5 pounds. It'll say more about that in other places here as well. If we go to my profile, it'll also show my profile and my progress, 5 pounds to go, 5 pounds lost. We can also go back to home and friends. Let's see if it'll go. Perfect. This is my one friend, Erin Smoot. She's also in our class. So she's my one friend. And then here's my goals. Let's see if it'll load. I customized my goals here, changed the carbs, brought the carbs down, put the protein up a little bit, just because I prefer not to eat quite as many carbs. So there's that. And then if we go into exercise, we can see all the exercises I've done today. I haven't done the yoga yet, but I'm going to. I played soccer and softball this morning. And then also, let's see, we can go into food. And in food, it has breakfast, morning snack, lunch, dinner, evening snack, and Hungry Hippo is the custom food that I made. It's cooked carrots, but it's from a place called Hungry Hippo. Ate those today. And then I also made a custom recipe, my favorite lasagna, which also you had to go in and annually put in. And then let's see, if we go into settings, right up here, we'll see that also we can go into diary settings where we had to change quite a few things. We changed the meal names. You can add multiple extra ones. We changed it so people can only get in it if they know the code, which now everyone does, so perfect. So there's that. And then also we can go into apps. And I, on my phone right now, have this app, Map My Fitness, and Map My Run again. I think it's the same one, yeah. And of course the MyFitnessPal app as well. So that's all that I've learned to do on here. It looks pretty fun and pretty effective, so there it is.